Hey SMMA Freelancers, trying to pick the best lead scraper? Today we're comparing Apollo, Clay, and Instantly to see which one's right for you. Let's dive in. First up, Apollo. It's an all-in-one sales tool with a huge database, over 275 million contacts. You can find emails, phone numbers, and LinkedIn profiles, plus set up emails campaigns right in the platform. It's great for big lists and has filters to target specific industries. But the free plan is limited, and some leads might not be super accurate. Next, Clay. This one's like a smart spreadsheet. It pulls data from tons of sources, LinkedIn, Google Maps, you name it, and uses AI to make super accurate lead lists. You can customize everything and integrate with tools like HubSpot. Downside? No built-in email sending, so you'll need another tool for outreach. Finally, Instantly. It's the lead scraper and email outreach combo. Perfect for small businesses. You get a B2B lead database, unlimited email accounts, and email warm-up to avoid spam folders. It's simple to use, but the lead database isn't as big as Apollo's, and it's less flexible for custom data. Comparison time. For big lead lists and all-in-one features, Apollo's your pick, but watch out for data accuracy. If you want super accurate custom lead lists, Clay's AI and flexibility win, although you'll need an extra tool for emails. For small teams or beginners, Instantly's simplicity and email tool make it a solid choice, but it's not great for complex data needs. Who's the winner? It depends. Big agencies go Apollo. Data nerds pick Clay. Newbies or small teams try Instantly. Test their free plans to see what fits. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your favorite tool, like and subscribe for more videos.